Your biggest financial mistake in your 20s isn't spending, it's timing. In your 20s, you have one unfair advantage: time. Most people waste it. They delay investing. They chase lifestyle upgrades. They ignore Bitcoin, stocks, crypto, because there's still time. So what does that mean? Compounding works hardest in your 20s. If you start 5 to 10 years late, you lose exponential growth. Simple math. $1 invested at 22 is not the same as $1 invested at 32. Impact long-term, less financial freedom, more pressure in your 30s, higher risk decisions later. Plan. Invest early, even small amounts. Focus on assets, not just income. Learn about markets now, not later. Don't overleverage trying to get rich fast. Survival. Ego. Be honest. Are you building assets right now, or just upgrading your lifestyle?